how to enable keyboard typing custom sound on your Windows or your Mac and Linux. So if you want to enable your keyboard typing custom sound, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for Meg Wipes. Once you've searched, you need to click on the official website, and then you'll get this kind of interface. Now you will have download now option. Click on download now, which will take you to this kind of interface. You need to just simply scroll down and then find the version, which is version 2.3.0, and then go with download now, which will be on the bottom. And then you'll get this kind of interface. Your download would start shortly within the 5 seconds. And then you need to go with your download section, which will be in the top right. And if it says unverified file, you need to click on it and then go with download unverified file. And it might take a few minutes. Like in my case, it takes 10 minutes or 11 minutes to download. So just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Once it has been installed, you just open up your Meg Wipes, and then you need to go and select your typing sound. Like for example, I'll go with this one, which is Cherry MX Brown. Once you've selected, you can go with your volume. You can adjust your volume. And then you will also have more sounds. You'll be able to customize your sounds. And once done, you need to go to a new tab and then type something, and you will have your keyboard typing sound. You'll be able to hear that. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.